Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most widely used video editor for professional video editing. Also, the reason why it's just too hard for beginners to understand the workflow. Don't you worry about that, because in this video, I'll be your guide to give you step-by-step walkthrough to get your first video edited in Premiere Pro. I'm using the version 23.2, which is relatively new and more user-friendly than older versions. This will be the first page where you'll see projects that you may already have worked on before. Else, if it's your first time, you can click on the new project button, which will take you onto a new window. First and foremost, what you need to change here is the project name or ID, which will be used to identify this project later on, and believe me, it helps big time. Next will be the project location. Just like in Windows File Explorer, you can point Adobe Premiere Pro into the location of the audio or video files you want to work on. You will also need to do the same below too and select the files too. And lastly, the name of the sequence, which will be the name of your final file after you export it from Premiere Pro. Then click on Create and you'll be taken to the new page of editing in Premiere Pro. This is where all beginners will spend more than 90% of their time. I know it's quite overwhelming, but listen up close. In this new window, you'll have three main panes: Media Browser, Preview pane, and Sequence Edit panes. As name suggests, Sequence Edit pane is where you'll be editing your clips. You can either drag and drop them from Media Browser pane or directly from the File Explorer as you would normally do. Videos will occupy places on the upper half and audio in the below half. Towards the left side, you'll see some tools, from which the one you'll most likely use are selection and eraser tools. Eraser tool will help you slice up the videos, while a selection tool will help in selecting and moving audio or video clips from Sequence Edit pane. If you want to add audio or video effects, click on the double arrow on the browse pane and click on Effects. Here, you'll see effects that can be added onto your content. Just drag and drop them onto your clips. Similarly, you can do almost everything what you want in your content using Premiere Pro. Once you are done editing, click on the Export tab towards the top left, where in the next window, you'll be able to change the output of where you'll be able to change location of output file from after export. Note that Premiere Pro is a resource hungry app, so the total performance will depend on the specs of your PC. And voila, that's how you do a beginner's edit in Premiere Pro.